Hi, welcome to the tutorial. So first thing you want to do is cover the entire person's face in a white paint. Then we're going to go ahead and fill in around the eyes with the black. You don't have to worry about keeping this part clean. We're going to be blending away the color, like the edges, with our hands in a wet sponge afterwards. So just cover around both eyes. I didn't do underneath the bottom eyelash here. I do that at the very end. So here is where we come in with the wet sponge. There's nothing on it but water. And just kind of flick away the edges. You can lightly dab against it. It's okay if you scrape some of the white paint off too, because, well, the Joker's face isn't really clean at all, so it actually adds to a better effect at the end. And you can move it around with your fingers even. The big thing is to get rid of the like harsh lines from the black and blend it in. Try and pull more of it up onto the forehead. Right there I'm just scraping off some of the paint on the forehead, like the white. We're going to put like the black wrinkles there later. Now we're going to go ahead and start off the mouth. The red doesn't need much water to activate, just a tiny little bit. And then we're just going to dab it up and basically fill out the outline of his mouth. Now we're going to go ahead and add some green paint along the edge of the hairline and onto a bit of the hair itself. We didn't have any green hair spray paint, which you can get for a few dollars at this time of year at like Walmart and stuff. And do your whole head if you don't have a wig. Now we're going to go back in and cover up around the eyes a little better now that the water's kind of like dried in from when we pulled it around. We can add a little more, move it around. We'll just add more depth and different layers, kind of. This part here is optional, but we had some of that fake blood, so I went ahead and added that onto the mouth as well, just to give it a little more like depth again. I just took a small brush and put the blood right on the brush and started off painting on a lip line on each side, and then just put a whole bunch around the lips. And once that's done, that's the basic look. You fill in the bottom of the eyes, which we're about to do after this. Hey, if you stuck around this long, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, leave suggestions, maybe ideas you want to see for some face paints. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy these 2 little short clips that we made with the makeup on.
Trick or treat! Trick or treat! What? Trick or treat?
Do you know who I am?
No. Trick or treat!
Your friends call you Honey.
Oh, I don't have a lot of friends.
Well, Honey, you got one now.